Hello, it's Kevin from Hilly Sales and Service. Today we are going to show you a short little video clip of removal of a deck on an 1100 series Mahindra tractor. I use a 5-step process for removing the deck on the Mahindra 1100 series. One of the first steps that what we do is you're going to raise your anti-scalp rollers. Now you're going to do this at all 4 corners of the deck, and this is to allow the deck to actually sit down on the ground flat. Step 2 is to adjust your deck height adjustment knob clockwise all the way. So here's your deck height. You're going to turn it all the way until it bottoms out. Step 3, on the right side of the tractor, you're going to see your deck end 3-point lift here. You're going to lower that all the way so that your deck sits down flat on the ground. So step 4, you want to release your mid PTO that's hooked onto your deck, okay? So right here you have a handle. Right here you have a little knob, okay? This knob locks it in place. So you want to pull that knob out and then just pull your handle back, and that allows your PTO to come loose from the deck. So in step 5, you're going to move to the opposite side of the tractor. You're going to move to the deck discharge side, okay? Now as you see this handle releases the locking pin on each side of the deck. So all you need to do is just yank this back, and that'll latch back. Now that we have finished the 5 steps of releasing the deck from the tractor, we're going to start the tractor and back off of the deck. Now you're going to want your tractor in full-wheel drive and in low range. With this one being a turf tire, it makes it a little bit more difficult, so I'm going to use the loader a little bit to put a little down pressure on it to lift the tires up off the ground just a hair. So as you can see, that process was very simple. There's no need to be pulling decks out from underneath the tractors anymore. There's a lot less back work. It's a very nice, simple process. So now we are going to go through the process of reassembling the deck back onto the tractor. First, we will take the tractor and just drive back up over the deck again. So one of the key things is to remember, as you drive over your deck, try to line it up and drive straight across it so that your deck lines back up into the brackets that are on the bottom side of the tractor, okay? So once you have that done, we're going to go in those steps, those 5 steps, we're going to go in the reverse mode of those 5 steps, okay? So the number 5 step was releasing your rear pins. Well, now as I'm going to start the tractor, I'm going to raise the deck. That pin will automatically latch once I have the deck raised. Every now and then you will see that you have to maybe drop it just a tiny bit, pick it up a little bit, but you'll hear that latch into place, and it will actually lock your deck on. So the next step is to slide your PTO back on. So you're going to want this to be latched in, okay? So you just slide it front. Sometimes you might have to just rock it a little bit, and it'll actually latch in place there. So now that the deck is latched on, now we're going to raise the deck back up. This was step 3 in the reverse, okay? So now we're going to raise the deck back up so that we can set our deck height adjustment to where we want to mow at, and then reset our deck scalp wheels at the right position. So one of the next steps is going to just be setting your deck height adjustment to where you like to cut your height at. So your last step is to readjust your anti-scalp rollers. Now, one thing to remember, these are just anti-scalp rollers. They are only to protect you from scalping your yard. They do not roll on the ground, so you want to adjust them just so that they are touching your grass. Now, you're going to want to do all four corners. I want to thank you for watching this short video clip of us taking the deck off and then reinstalling it on this Mahindra 1123.